Hey guys, ED Games here and welcome back to another video. Today's video is a free-for-all but with a twist. So basically I've got to use a pistol and a pistol only, so I can't use like a locust or whatever. So here's the class I'm going to be using. It's the LK9 dual wield, so just make it more ammo and like not better accuracy, but like I don't know, I feel like it's better than like just putting fast mags or something on. So I put dual wield on, and then I've got a C4 and two shot charges. I've also got 6 cents to see if like anyone's like around me. And then cold-blooded scavenger and tactical mask, just so then I don't get charged or like if they have a hardened sentry or something, it won't see me. And also if I run out of ammo, scavenger will help me. So yeah, let's get into it. Right guys, so found a game. It's on Havoc. It's a full lobby, but people are just joining in, so yeah, let's get into this. LK9s dual wield, let's do this. Oh, I thought someone had spawned there. They'll be running up here soon. Oh, I'm speaking. I meant I was speaking on the little like Xbox game thing. Oh, there's someone. I'm going for you. Which way did he go? There. There you are. Yes, nice. Right, there's one. Chuck them over there, just in case anyone comes past there. And another one. Nice. I'm not expecting to win, but it'd be a fun challenge anyway. And the same guy, but never kill. Oh, didn't get the fourth one. Oh well. Oh wow. Saw him, but couldn't kill him. Don't know why. Just gonna put that there because if I'm running past there a lot, maybe someone else will. Chuck that in there. He probably knows I'm there now, doesn't he? Oh wow, that was stupid. Got the kill with the C4. Should have probably concentrated on the LK9 kills, but oh well. Let's get back in there. This seems to be like the most like havoc-y place. Actually, I'm gonna put it on that wall. But yeah. Oh wow, that was a terrible lie. Yes. Oh well, I got him. Oh, I thought he was gonna still be there. Oh, I've gone the long way to that room place because that's just where it seems more popular. Oh, what's he using? XR2. Probably one burst me. Right, I'm getting someone with these now. Gravities. And these OP. No thanks. Oh, I missed that. Oh wow. Should have gravity spiked. Oh, I missed inside there. Where is he? Oh, there. Jeez. I knew I could see on the 6th sense thing. Oh, wow. Of course that happens to me. Oh, well. I am focusing on... Oh, I should have used the ability to make it even more pistol only. Oh, and C4s, but... Too late now. Yes! One machine... Oh, I'm winning. One machine shut down to get the lead. Maybe I will win this then, if I keep it this way. That's so fun knifing. I don't know why. Oh, yes, nice. Oh, tried to chuck, I was going to chuck that and then a C4, but the C4 probably wouldn't have worked anyway. So. Ooh, it's just so fun. No thanks. Bam, what a kill. Oops. Oh, that was a fail. Thought he was behind me, like directly behind me. Missed that as well. Ah, I'm not winning. Losing by 2. 3 now. These wreck. Close up they do. But from quite far. Pretty bad. Oi, you. Get out of there. Oh, unlucky, mate. I meant me, but oh well. Oi. Oh. Oh, how didn't I get him? I'm losing by 4 now. Come on. Just checking my shot charges and all that. Too much. Oh. Oh. Because he's prone, I couldn't really get him. Oh, wow. Losing by 4. It's going so slow, but it's fun though. Oh. I can't get... I should have put blind eye on. Then 6th sense is quite good. Oh my gosh. 16 and 15. Come on. Having dark matter on the L car is cool because it was the last one I needed. Don't get me, talent. Oh. Oh no, it was a VMP who got me. Right. Someone's on 24. Not going to be long until the next one. Oh, what? Oh. I was thinking Slide was B because I've been playing on a friend's account. Well, my friend's brother. I'll call him my friend. Shout out to Barazinho. I'll put a link in the description because they're new. It's just only fair. They'll be doing like not challenges, but like football challenges and basketball and just sports basically. They're brothers. I don't know. Yes, nice. Double kill. Triple, sort of. Oh, nice one, a little streak here. Oh, if only I could get him, that would have been class. A little streak. Oops, wrong way. Well, not a, there isn't a wrong way, but like, I wanted to go. Oh my god. Yes! That was such a stupid idea. Lovely. Nice. Come on. Someone's on 29. 28. Oh no. No, 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 no. Don't kill me, mate. Oh! No way! That kill decided who won it. Oh. No. I'm gonna watch it. Gutted. Oh. There's me with the L cars and he's got an RK5 and he beat me. Right. Oh well. So if you enjoyed it, please give it a like. Remember to subscribe. Oh, and subscribe to Brazil.